Hello friends, in this video we are going to see MCQs on Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966. Question 1. What is the basic unit of land administration under MLRC? Option A, Taluka, option B, village, option C, district, and option D, subdivision. So correct answer is option B. So basically village is considered the basic unit in land revenue administration. Question 2. Who is the highest revenue officer in a district? Option A, Talati. Option B, Tehsildar. Option C, Collector. Option D, Commissioner. So correct answer is option C. That is, Collector is the chief revenue authority at a district level. Question 3. Which section of MLRC defines occupant? Section 2 slash 2, so subsection 3, section 3, section 4, or section 2 subsection 19. So correct answer is D. That is, occupant is defined under the section 2 subsection 19. Generally section 2 of each and every act is for the definitions. Question 4. The term land as per MLRC includes option A, building, option B, benefits to arise out of land, option C, things attached to the earth, option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D. That is, land includes all the immovable property as per the definition. Question 5. A Talati is responsible for option A, judicial decisions, option B, land revenue collection, option C, forest management, option D, police duties. So correct answer is option B. That is, Talati is a village level officer responsible for maintaining land records and revenue collection. Question 6. What is the main purpose of Maharashtra Land Revenue Code? Option A, police administration. Option B, regulation of agricultural trade. Option C, consolidation and amendment of land revenue laws. And option D, control of tenancy. So correct answer is option C. Question 7. Mutation entries are made in which register? So option A, Khasara, option B, Satbara extract, option C, mutation register, and option D, records of rights. So correct answer is option C, mutation register. The form 6 is used to record change in the land ownership. Mutation म्हणजे फेरबदल. Question 8. What does Satbara extract include? Option A, crop details. Option B, ownership details. Option C, area of land. And option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D. So uh, the Satbara extract contains the ownership as well as the cultivation and the area details. Which officer maintains village revenue records? Option A, collector. Option B, Nayab Tahsildar. Option C, Talati. And option D, circle officer. So the correct answer is option C, that is, Talati maintains the village revenue records. Question 10. The process of updating land records in case of transfer is called option A, rectification, option B, mutation, option C, occupation, and option D, adjudication. So correct answer is option B, that is, mutation reflects the changes in ownership in revenue records. Question 11. What is the penalty for unauthorized use of agricultural land for non-agricultural purpose? Option A, no penalty. Option B, rupees 500. Option C, as decided by the Gram Panchayat. And option D, fine as per the provision of MLRC. So correct answer is option D, that is, MLRC imposes penalties for unauthorized land use. Question 12. Who grants the permission for non-agricultural use of land? Option A, collector. Option B, Tahsildar. Option C, Gram Panchayat. And option D, circle officer. So correct answer is option A, that collector is the competent authority for granting the NA permissions. Question 13. Which section of MLRC deals with the appeal process? Option A, section 236. option B section 246, option C section 247, and option D section 250. So correct answer is option C, that is section 247 deals with the appeals. Question 14. Land revenue is assessed based on option A size of family, option B caste of occupant, option C area, use and productivity of the land, and option D age of the occupant. So correct answer is option C, that is land revenue depends on the land characteristics. Question 15. What does 8A extract signifies? Option A area of village, option B mutation status, option C khate details, and option D survey map. So correct answer is option C, that is the khate details of that owner is shown in the 8A extract. Question 16. Which form is used for registering mutations? Option A Form 3, option B Form 5, option C Form 6, option D Form 7. So correct answer is option C, that is Form 6 is used for the recording mutations. Question 17. Under MLRC, occupant class 1 means option A tenant, option B leaseholder, option C absolute owner, option D owner without occupancy right. So correct answer is option C, that is class 1 occupant has permanent and heritable right. Question 18. Records of the right is maintained under which section? Option A section 149, option B section 121, option C section 148, and option D section 148A. So correct answer is option C, that is section 148 deals with the records of rights. Question 19. Which officer has quasi-judicial powers in the land dispute? Option A. Patwari, option B. Talati, option C. Tahsildar, and option D. Clerk. So correct answer is option C, that is Tahsildar has quasi-judicial powers under MLRC. Question 20. Land held by the religious institute is classified as option A private land, option B forest land, option C Inam land, and option D trust land. So correct answer is option C, that is lands given for the service or the religion purpose is known as the Inam land. Question 21. Which section of MLRC empowers the collector to summarily evict unauthorized occupants of government land? Option A, Section 44, option B, Section 50, option C, Section 202, option D, Section 53. So correct answer is option D, that is the Section 53 allows the collector to take action against unauthorized occupation. Question 22. The term revenue officer under MLRC includes option A Talati, option B Naib Tahsildar, option C Collector, and option D all of the above. So correct answer is option D. That is all these three officials falls under the category of revenue officers. Question 23. Appeal against the order of Tahsildar lies to option A Collector, option B Gram Panchayat, option C Talati, and option D Divisional Commissioner. So correct answer is option A Collector. The collector hears the appeal against the order of Tahsildar. Question 24. Encroachment on government land is dealt under option A Section 32, option B Section 46, option C Section 48, and option D Section 62. The correct answer is option C, that is Section 48 of MLRC deals with the encroachment and penalties. Question 25. Rights of Class 2 occupant includes option A sale of the land without permission, option B use of the land for the industrial purpose directly, option C limited rights and restrictions on transfer, and option D full ownership right. So correct answer is option C, that the class 2 occupant needs a prior approval for the transfer. Question 26. Land revenue in Maharashtra is assessed and fixed during option A every 2 years, option B every 5 years, option C settlement period, and option D collector's direction discretion. So Correct answer is option C, that is the settlement period. Revenue assessments are done during the settlement operations. Question 27. Survey numbers and subdivision numbers are prepared under the authority of option A, Talati, option B, Tahsildar, option C, Superintendent of the Land Records, and option D, Collector. So correct answer is option C, that is the official in charge of the land measurement and survey work, that is Superintendent of Land Records. जी भूमी अभिलेख डिपार्टमेंट आहेत त्यांच्याकडे सर्वे नंबर्स अँड सबडिव्हिजन्स बनवले जातात. Question 28. What does the land tenure refers under MLRC? Option A, type of soil. Option B, cropping pattern. Option C, type of holding rights. And option D, rent paid. So correct answer is C. That is the tenure relates to the legal rights of holding that particular land. Question 29. What is the legal consequences of a mutation entry? Option A, it is a conclusive proof of ownership. Option B, it affects the title. Option C, it only helps in revenue collection. And option D, it's a merely record without a legal significance. So correct answer is option C, that is mutation is a not conclusive proof of a ownership. Question 30. Under which section is the power of summary eviction available? Option A, section 52. Option B, section 53. Option C, section 54. And option D, section 55. So correct answer is option B, that is section 53 provides summary eviction powers. Question 31. The register of crops is maintained in which form? Option A, Form 5, option B, Form 7, option C, Form 9, and option D, Form 10. So correct answer is option D, that is crop details are recorded in Form 10, that is Kharif and Rabi seasons form. Question 32. The term revenue circle means option A district, option B, a subdivision, option C, a group of villages under a circle office, and option D, a taluka. Now the correct answer is option C, that is revenue circles are administrative units under the circle officer. Question 33. Which authority is responsible for conducting land measurement? Option A, Talati, option B, Tahsildar, option C, District Survey Officer, and option D, Clerk. So correct answer is option C, that is the land measurement is under the jurisdiction of the District Survey Office. Question 34. If a person is aggrieved by the collector's order, appeal lies to option A, High Court, option B, Divisional Commissioner, option C, Tahsildar, and option D, Revenue Tribunal. So correct answer is option B, that appeal for the collector goes to the Divisional Commissioner. Question 35. Which section deals with the preparation and maintenance of the records of the rights? Option A, Section 148, option B, Section 150, option C, Section 145, and option D, Section 152. So correct answer is option A, that is Section 148 covers the maintenance of the records of the right. So thank you very much. That's all. These are the some important questions under MLRC Act. So I hope you liked it. Thank you.